In order to clean this water cooling nozzle, you use this small device, which you use inside the nozzle, and you clean it like this. Once you've cleaned the nozzle, just make sure the water is running perfectly. You turn on the engine. Once you finish working, undo the jacket like this. And you take off all the water out of the jacket by unscrewing the top of the jacket and flipping it upside down. And then you make sure that the system has no more water in it. So run the system in the bucket until there's no more water coming out of the burr. Once you've made sure there's no more water coming out of the system, you can just disconnect everything. So by doing this, you disconnect the water cooling connection, disconnecting the burr, disconnecting the water system here, and taking off the drive shaft, which you bend like this, and you take off the jacket like this. If you're not using the system for a certain time, you can as well leave the camel bag open by undoing this. Thank you for watching HDE cleaning and maintenance recommendations. I invite you to download the complete cleaning and maintenance recommendations on HDE's website.